What's up? What's up? It's Justin, Mr. CMB. I'm back with another video. Shout out to everybody who's liking, subscribing, and sharing the channel. So, it's actually just taking a walk. You know, whenever I'm like doing stuff at home or around the office, I like to take a walk to get out of the computer. But I was thinking today about something, and this relates to a lot of people. Honestly, this probably relates to more people in America. It's expensive to be cheap. It's expensive to be broke. Now that seems like kind of like an oxymoron, but I'm gonna explain this and break it down to you, because there's a mentality I've noticed between people who are cheap or people who are broke, more so broke. And when I mean that, I don't mean just being specifically broke, because you can be broke for temporary, that's temporary. But when you have a broke or cheap mentality, because you can have a lot of money and still be frugal, which people would say is cheap, but your mindset towards things are a little bit different. So let me break it down to you for a second. So when you're broke, when you have a broke mentality, and it's loud, I don't know where all this construction is coming from, but when you're broke or have a broke mentality, you think of things like this. You think of things such as, you know, fixing your credit is expensive. It takes too long and too much time. And what you don't realize is you lacking access to capital is putting you in situations to pay more for car insurance. You're paying more. It's harder for you to get an apartment. I mean, you can't even get approved for a house unless you have cash. You can't get access to financial products. Thus, it's limiting you to actually move on up in this world, and actually it's limiting you to do a lot of things that you really want to do. This is why people who have access to capital, they can actually move a lot faster. This can help improve their income, you know, put them in situations where they can raise income, take advantage of opportunities that present themselves to you. Like, for instance, I have an opportunity that presented itself to me about a week ago. And thankfully, I'm able to take advantage of it because I have access to, you know, private capital. And these are the things you don't really realize. Like, just having an extra line of credit. Like, I tell everybody that I know is just get business credit, which, you know, I'm getting more business credit right now. Get more personal credit, because you can take advantage of opportunities. I can't tell you how many people that, like, for instance, I had this conversation with someone. I told them to get more access to credit. And they just like, well, I don't want a lot of credit cards. I don't want to, you know, get more access to credit. I'm like, well, why not? What's the point of having good credit if you're not using it to acquire assets or skills? Like, I mean, that's dumb, especially if you're not making the income you want to make or living the life you want. Why wouldn't you have access to it to where you can actually take advantage of opportunity when opportunity presents itself? Like, it's a really, I don't want to say stupid mindset, but it's just ass backwards. Because obviously, if your advice worked, you'd be in a different position. Because the thing I noticed that people who are advice have upward mobility or in different positions, financial positions, we get as much credit, we get as much access, we take advantage of opportunities, we are savvy, and we don't let money get in the way of things, because we know either how to use our own, create our own stream of income, or find places we can have access to it to take advantage of opportunities. For instance, I'm pretty sure you've been presented with opportunities, and this is not everybody, but I'm saying this is, let's say you don't even make $100,000 a year. Let's say you have only like 1 or 2 credit cards, and let's say your max credit card limit is, I'm gonna say on the low end, like $10,000, which is nothing in retrospect. Excuse me. And you don't want to get more credit to tap into something. And really, that's a personal issue. You don't believe in yourself. So let's say you're presented with an opportunity to invest in a skill that can help you build a business, and it costs you like $5,000. The broke mindset would look at it as, well, I don't want to do that because I don't know if there's a guarantee that I'll make my money back. Which they don't really realize, and this is a broke mindset, is that there's no guarantees in life at all except you dying and paying taxes. And even if you try to avoid taxes, that, you know, eventually you're gonna have to pay that or go to jail. And that's a broke mindset, is because one, they don't have self-belief, and two, they're expecting a guaranteed outcome. it's very weird to me when I have grown adults come to me and ask for a guarantee. When I ask them, I say I'm going to help them build their wholesale auction property business, me and my team. And I'm like, what do you mean? You do want me to do it for you? That's different. Yeah, I can do it for you, but obviously it's different. We're going to talk a different number. But if you actually want to build it alongside with us and we help you, then yeah, if you're going to do the work, follow through on the work, help, and I'm just going to make it easy for you. I'm going to just put you on a jet and we'll get from New York to LA in a fast time with no air traffic. Then yeah, I can do that for you, as long as you are in the passenger seat watching what I'm doing and you just doing the same exact thing. Then yeah, you can get results. But if you're looking for someone to do the stuff for you, that's weird. You have so many grown ass people who want guaranteed results without doing anything. This is a very childlike mentality. Like, it's weird to me. Like, it's very, very weird to me. And this is why they're in the position that they're at. They have a lack mindset, they have a broke mindset, and they're expecting guarantees in life. There's no guarantees without risk. You're not built to be an entrepreneur, you're not built to be a business owner, and that's perfectly fine. But you are built to at least make a side income. Like, everybody needs a side income. So you may not have that mentality. What I'm gonna say is you need to get that shit like right now. All right, so that's really it for my video. I want y'all to like, comment, share. I know a lot of you guys comment, and I know the last video I got killed in the comments for, so that's perfectly fine. But I'm just trying to make these videos to help you out. So you like, comment, share. This is CMB. I'm out. Peace.